Roomba, POV, in school.
I'm not the teacher no more. I don't want to be the teacher.
But we gonna die.
I don't want to be the teacher. I don't want to be the teacher. I'm not the teacher anymore.
He's our special pet.
Roomba.
Bye-bye, kids. Hold on. You're the bully and you turn the bully.
Regular outfit.
Oh, bro, I don't even have these.
Alright.
I don't care. I'm a student with purple.
I'm not a teacher.
I'm a student with purple.
I'm not the teacher.
I'm a student with
My head
purple.
still hurt. No, you still using long arms? That's crazy.
Bro,
No,
you guys. I can give you guys my mom's credit card to buy stuff. I can give you my mom's credit card to buy the stuff.
How do you do that?
So, the roleplay starts. Eat. Hey, teacher, go there, right now.
I'm not the teacher.
No, purple dog.
Let me take off my
Who's
hat.
the teacher? Who's the teacher? Oh.
Not me, my terrible Azani word. Wait, long arms, boy. How did you get long arms? Wait, do you have team? Okay, no, you want to go into the team and everyone
Go on seat. Everyone go on seat.
Okay.
Bro, I'm the teacher.
Bro, I have to download that.
Everyone's the
Oh, you
teacher.
don't have
Everyone's the
DVR?
No.
Oh, man. You can't do DVR.
Settle down, class. Settle down.
But how do you even get them if you have Steam? Or whatever you talking about? Okay, no. I want to go into the team then.
Settle down, class.
Guys,
Bro, I'm the house from the roleplay. You can't see me. Shut up.
Alright, don't shout. Alright, come here, bro. How do I get them on? Okay, so you want to go to do that thing? Game VR that thing.
You want an easier way? Do you want an easier way?
Oh, creators,
I don't
please.
have a PC.
Tomorrow, finally, they're going to
I don't.
You could just buy the strap, or you could just tape your controller onto a broom. Then you get one arm, or just buy the strap.
I kind of cut off my screen.
It's called tape. You could just tape it there. Like the heart, like where you put the battery at. Just
I know, but I want the alarm.
You should be getting better at it.
I want to where I can touch the buttons.
You have all F's.
Do this. I can do this.
You have all apps.
Yeah, bro. Alright, how do you download?
I won long
I
lost the game. That's why.
Wait, that's modding, bro. That's modding. Crazy. Coming to my nut in your mouth, bro.
Go to settings. More easily, you just go to settings, go to stability, and then go to mobility, and then press the left button. Right now.
Hold on, let me go to settings. Alright, what is it? What do I do?
Go to stability.
Which one is that? I don't see it.
Yeah, I tried that thing and it's
Roomba. How did you do that? How did you do that? Show me. Come on, show me. Roomba, show me.
Where's my billy?
Roomba, if you don't show me, you're gay.
it ends that thing.
Settings, my guy.
Come on, show me.
Go
Go to stability
down,
and go to mobility. Go to mobility.
Mobility, I'm looking.
On that stability, it's mobility, and then there you press the last button, and then you will see long arms.
Alright, I see 2 buttons. Which one do I press? There's like 2 options.
Press the last one, not the 2.
Show me what to do.
Just press the last one. The third one.
want my mom's credit card?
Word.
I'll give you my mom's credit card if you show me.
I'm showing anyone
My dad. Don't show me you're gay. Don't show me you're gay.
moderator here. That's crazy. Blue is gay.
Who wanted me to dress up like a man? I'm not even
Well, 10 times I just put them on the menus on the table, and they were so OP, and they will give you my stick.
Whose backpack is this?
It says
I
I
was
need to
rolling into the I already
Well, you guys remember? Remember this used to be like really big? It used to be kind of chilling, like all the way up here. But then
I
removed it.
remember.
You guys,
You know how to turn it to a Roomba.
oh yeah, you gotta go here, press the Oculus button, and then you gotta reach your hands all the way down, and then like press the organize. And if you want to do the role play,
Yo, bro, what's up, bro? I'm back.
guys, if you're bored and you don't want, wait, can I ask you a question? What in mobility?
Yo, my
What
short.
picture is it supposed to be? Like when you go to 7,
Yo, bro.
what's the picture of?
Yo, bro.
Like on the little,
Yeah? Add me on Oculus.
It's a human.
My...
Bro, I honestly.
No, but my hand is sticking out.
Yo,
Bro, this is how you get that Roomba.
Okay, do I
This
press
is-
the second one?
Wait. Get back
The
in here.
first one or second one?
Wait.
Use your hands.
Yeah, I do not know how to move.
Yo, monkey.
Appa. I'm going to tell
Now it's the host. Now the host is green. Now you're going to the host from the hero play green screen.
They do.
But the Billy know how to beat wood.
How do you guys move?
As in the.
You don't know how to